Hello guys, so today I want to show you how you can fix bugs in your Pubg game. So this applies to a lot of games, a lot of Android version games, a lot of iPhone games, and I'll be showing you if your game is not opening, if your game is not running, what you can do, and how you can fix this game. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe for the support. This is a new channel. We only have 2 subscribers. Thank you for the 2 subscribers, guys, and let's get into the video. Boom. Okay guys, the first thing, you must of course have this game, Pubg Mobile. Okay, I have it here. Now I was trying to open this game and it was bringing something like can't open this game and bringing some errors. Okay, for the first step, what you need to do is try to restart your device. Once again, you try to restart your device so that this restarting your device actually makes every app restart again, and it can be able to open up. If this didn't work, you go to step 2. You come to your game and clear the history. What you are going to do, you come here, you long press this game and go to the app information. After you go to the app information, you will come here to storage. Okay, you see there, and clear this history, clear data and clear cache. After you have done that, there's some, you see there is this option here for stopping the game. You first stop the game and this is going to help you too. Okay, for mine I restarted my phone and it worked. If it didn't work, you try to first stop and clear the cache and history of the game. I'm very sure this is going to work. If you're new to this channel again, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to our channel. Thanks guys.